Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old Den of Tools. And today we're talking Memorial Day sales. Well, that's a tongue twister, huh? Anyway, this time we're over at Direct Tool because they've got their 20% off your entire purchase. Now, there are a few items that are excluded, but we're not talking about any of those there. And honestly, looking through their list of tools, I didn't really actually stumble across any. So let's jump into it and talk about some of these savings. 20% off. Now remember, if you don't know, Direct Tools is the factory outlet for TTI. That's Ryobi, that's Ridgid, that Hart, and Milwaukee. Really, you only usually see Ryobi and Ridgid here, but man, they have some screaming deals. Such as, woohoo, look at that, Ridgid 15 amp 10 inch table saw with folding stand, normally $330. People have been asking, wait, when are we going to see a good deal on a table saw? There you go. That's your saw right there. That's the one to get. My gosh, $264. Now, this is factory blemished. Everything we're looking at here is going to be a factory blemish or a factory refurb. Factory blemish means that there was a scratch or a scuff or just not the prettiest girl at the dance, if you know what I mean. Or it's the factory refurb, which means, as the way some people look at it is, hey, sometimes these tools are going to break. At least in this case, they found the weak spot, they fixed it, and now it's even better than new. I don't know, your mileage may vary. I've always had a lot of luck with factory refurbs. They've always worked just fine, if not better than new for me. Anyway, $264 on that one. Now moving on, we got the Ridgid nailer, 18 volt, 2.5 inch brushless motor, 16 gauge finish nailer for $184, factory blemish. Next up after that, we got the same thing, but factory refurbed, or reconditioned as they say, $128. That's a nice savings on that. You're going to go down from 184 to 128 to get the refurbished one. I think that's probably a call I would make. How about the Airstrike? Ryobi is known for lots of great Airstrike stuff. Their nailers are probably one of the best bang for the bucks that's out there. We got the 16 gauge finish nailer for $112. We've got the Airstrike brad nailer kit, that's with the battery and the charger, the real charger, not that little silly charger here, for $136 here, factory blemish. We got the tool only brad nailer there for $96, and then we got the factory reconditioned brad nailer tool only for $80. Let's call it $80. It is what it is. I'm not gonna mince words over a penny here. Anyway, by the way, there is, the Ryobi days are going on at Home Depot right now, and I didn't have time to go through and check all of these. I'm pretty sure that most of these we're gonna meet or beat what's going on over at Home Depot. But I would double check because they can change those prices, they can update them and whatnot. So double check your prices versus Home Depot. But I think good luck trying to find an $80 brad nailer over there. All right, next up we got, how about this? The Ridgid 15 amp 10 inch dual miter saw with LED cut line indicator. That's nice. Now, this is not a sliding miter saw, but just a regular standard chop kind of miter saw. But Ridgid makes an excellent miter saw. And $160, that is a great price on that. Factory blemish on that one also. Now, factory reconditioned. This might be one of the screaming deals of the day here. We got the Ridgid Gen 5X, the 18 volt. This is a brushless compact hammer drill and impact driver drill combo kit. Normally $204. I saw it listed when I looked, it was $300 for new. This is factory refurbed for $164. That's almost half price. That's a screaming deal on that one. All right, there you go. $300. See. All right, next up, we've got the 18-volt 3-speed hammer drill and impact driver kit. This is brushed, not brushless. All right, factory blemish, so it's just scratch and dent. It's not refurb. So you're coming down from $200. It's $160 on that one. And then we have the subcompact brushless version for $160 as well. Some great Ridgid core sets here for you. All right, how about this? We got the Ryobi HP 1 Plus for $183. This is the brushless cordless drill driver and impact driver kit, full kit. So you're getting the 2 batteries and you're getting the tools for $184 there. You're getting the 4 amp and a 2 amp, if I'm not mistaken, there on the batteries there. Just want to double check. We got, how about this worm drive? We got a worm drive Ridgid saw, corded, of course, for $120 factory blemish. We got a factory blemish. This is an Octane, all right, brushless Octane Ridgid 7¼ inch circ saw for $104. Oh, come on. How about this? One hand recip for the Ryobi there. This is the HP line. Again, they're part of their Value Pro line there. Now, they do have this as part of the Ryobi Day sales for $100, but that's tool only. For here, for $12 more, you're getting the charger and you're getting the battery as well. I don't know, I'd probably pay $12 for a battery. I don't know about you. All right, how about this? The Ridgid Octane recip. This is a beast of a recip for $104. All right, we got the Ryobi belt sander here. $48 on that one. How about this? I love this one. The Ryobi 1.2 amp corner cat sander. Because, so DeWalt came up with the brand name Mouse. I guess this is Ryobi's answer to the mouse sander. It's the cat sander. Someone there is having a laugh at this one. Factory reconditioned, though, for $16. $16. That's a nice little sander for $16. We got the Ridgid 18-volt mini Bluetooth radio factory refurb for $32. We got the cordless cock gun. Come on, you want a cordless cock gun? I don't know. I have to say, I kind of make fun of the cordless cock guns a lot because, but you know what? If you're already in the line, you got everything else at $32, you might as well get it, right? We got the rotary tool. Now, I have the Heart version of this tool, and I absolutely love it. As far as I understand it, they're pretty much identical, just slightly different form factor. $56 on that one. We got the crimp ring press tool. I actually just bought the crimp, or not the crimp, the clamp, the PEX. We're going to re-PEX our whole house in Montana. So I just bought the Ryobi, the clamp version rather than the crimp version. But if you like the crimp style, here we go. $184 on that one. They're kind of hard to find at times. The Ryobi PEX stuff, man, if you're planning to do some PEX stuff, look into it, because the next step up is pretty much jumping all the way up to the Milwaukee stuff. They're like $400 or $500. It'll make your life a lot easier. Here's the problem. A lot of people know that, and it can be hard to find in stock quite often. Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus brushless cordless stick vac here. Factory blemish for $160. That's a nice little vacuum there. We got the 1.2 gallon per minute high performance electric pressure washer from Ryobi. $176. That's factory blemish. Sorry, not factory blemish. That's factory refurb there for $176. That's actually a pretty decent pressure washer for electric. And you know what? Since we're doing some cleaning stuff, might as well start doing some scrubbing. I love that Ryobi has got these specialized scrubber tools out there. The 4-volt cordless compact scrubber there, factory blemish, for $32. And then I know some of you have been looking for the next one. That's right, we've got the telescoping power scrubber. Oh gosh, power scrubber. Actually, if we're doing some of the clean stuff, that actually looks pretty cool. I know some of you specifically were looking for this, and when I saw this, I'm like, we gotta include that. Factory blemish there for $72. All right, we got the orbital buffer there. This is cordless, factory blemish for $32. All right, we got some not vacuums. We got some lawnmowers for you. 40-volt, 18-inch. So for this one, it does have a battery included, okay? Understand, I don't know if it's got the charger, though, but it's got the battery included at $160. Those batteries are pretty pricey. All right, we got another one of the 8, but this is in the 18-volt line, battery included also. Looking at $144 on that one. Next up, we've got another 18-volt in the 1 Plus line with the battery included for $144. So there's some lawnmower action for you. And now let's talk about some storage. How about this? We got the Ryobi one-piece steel-mounted hanging cabinet there. This is a nice little cabinet there. Nice, tidy little cabinet. Great charging station kind of thing for $64. That's down off of $80 on that one. All right, we got some non-Ryobi, non-Ridgid here stuff for you. We got the home light. This is the electric dethatcher. Now, this is corded, but for those of you who have some dethatching that you want to do, there you go, $120. And last but not least, we have the home light, 12 amp, 16-inch chainsaw, corded again. Nice little chainsaw there. Anyway, there you go. That is your Direct Tools Memorial Day weekend. Again, I always like to say, or I guess I feel I need to say, which is, it's great getting these deals and all that kind of stuff, but take a moment to remember what Memorial Day is all about, okay? Because, as we say, all gave some and some gave all, and a big thank you to everyone who has served, especially those who didn't make it home. Anyway, that's all the Bear has for you today. You all take care. God bless. Have a fantastic, fun, and safe Memorial Day weekend. And as always, shine on.